I have a beautiful group this morning. It's really a purple base. Oh, I love some of these. This is a boiled wool. Isn't it beautiful? I mean, it's got a little bit of stretch, but it's more mechanical stretch. It's just absolutely stunning. Both sides are usable. The selvage is incredible. It's just beautifully smooth. You wouldn't have to finish. If you did like a little cape, you would not have to finish that edge or cut it off and sew it back on. It's really beautiful. This is a beautiful piece of fabric. Typically it'd be in the 60s. It's in the 30s. So it's kind of on sale. It's not $14.99, but it's on sale. The rest are $14.99. It's beautiful. Just a beautiful piece of fabric. This goes with it just perfectly. This is 100% viscose. It's like a Pontoroma. The drape on this is absolutely stunning, and it blends with it beautiful. And this, I'm not sure what the price is on this, I'm sorry. But anyway, those go together really beautifully. I put it in between these because these are a great base for all of these. This also is a boiled wool. Again, 100% viscose, stretch in both directions. Feels like a Pontoroma, almost like a scuba, but it's 100% viscose. Beautiful piece of fabric. This is a boiled wool also. Again, a just lovely piece of fabric. The colors in there are charcoal. There's a wine in there and a kind of a burgundy. There's a little bit of differences. There's a little metallic thread. If you look at the back side, you can see the metallic thread going through. You could use both sides. No question you could, but you start to see the little metallic thread that runs through it. A beautiful piece of fabric. I mean, just really beautiful. Again, the selvage is definitely usable. I wouldn't finish that. I would leave it like it is. It looks like a knitted piece of goods. So it's very beautiful. This is a charcoal. This is a cotton poly blend. It is $14.99. It's I put it in because it just blends so well with these other fabrics. This charcoal is just a really pretty color. It has stretch in one direction, and again, it's a cotton poly blend. This is 100% wool. We have just a little bit left of this, and I did put this at $14.99. That's kind of a giveaway price. It was $24.99, but anyway, there's only 2 yards. So these lower prices will be for today and tomorrow, and then they will go up. Beautiful piece of fabric. And then this one I just love. This is a woven viscose. Great blouse. You can wear it now. You can, layer it. And then of course, you can wear it all year round. Just a really pretty color, pretty piece. And again, you can see how well it blends there, this base. Anyway, there you have it. So some are $14.99, some are not, but all are beautiful fabrics. The goal is, of course, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.